In this video, I will share how to move from quote hunting to true technical partnership when sourcing forged and machined components from India. If you manage sourcing, I know your day balances between price, quality, delivery and risk. Your line cannot stop. Your engineering needs PPAP on time. Your finance wants cost cutting. Your operation wants zero defects, and your customers expect launches without any drama. Many teams are now looking to India for supply, but the question is not who is the cheapest. The question is who will stand with me when drawings change, when tolerances are tightened, when heat treatment behaves differently. A partner who is technically strong and transparent helps you sleep well at night. Hi, I am Rahul Agarwal, founder director at Precitech Forgings. I work with forged and machined components every day. Let me share what I often see go wrong. A buyer sends an RFQ. 10 suppliers reply within 48 hours. Most focus on piece price and delivery promise. Very few buyers ask about function, load case, or whether the radius and draft are friendly for forging. The drawing is quoted as in tools are made and samples are rushed. Then the reality hits when the material chosen passes chemistry but fails mechanical treatment after heat treatment. A tight perpendicularity callout was never discussed. CMM shows a slight deviation, distortion in parts after quenching. That adds up to unplanned machining stock and increase your cycle time. The PPAP is delayed because the control plan and FMEA were created post facto, and a truth that many ignore: the lowest piece price is not the lowest total cost. In forged and machined parts, most of your cost and risk are logged early when we review the drawing, design the preform, design the process flow, and then plan the PPAP. Another truth: a good supplier will sometimes say no or not yet when the timeline or tolerance stack up is risky. That no is a sign of maturity and not weakness. Empower yourself with 5P partner test. When evaluating suppliers in India, it is a practical and quick tool that will help you make informed decisions. Number 1. Purpose to print. Do they ask about the part's function and critical features? Do they respectfully challenge the drawings, ready, draft, grain flow, and machining stock? Can they propose design forging or design for machining suggestions? The second P is process window. Can they show a process flow, FMEA, and control plan? Do they define heat treatment parameters, quench medium, and inspection plan? Are CP, CPK, or PPK targets discussed for critical characteristics? Number 3P, people. Do you meet the team, the metallurgist, the process engineer, and the quality lead? Is there a clear weekly NPD rhythm, action tracker, and escalation path across time zones? One point of contact is good. One person dependency is not. Fourth P, proof and traceability. Are they ready for PPAP level 3 or as you need? Can they provide test certificates, metallographic reports, and full traceability from heat number to carton label? Will they share run charts and first of last of records? The fifth P is price beyond P's. Do they walk you through cost drivers like raw material yield, die life, machining cycle time, heat treatment and inspection? What is their die maintenance policy? How do they plan batches to balance your MOQ with their process stability? Can they discuss total landed cost, not just X works? When a supplier scores strongly on this 5 P's, you are not getting a product, you are getting a partner. A partner who values your business and is committed to your success, not just a quote machine. The big idea is simple. Do not buy a quote, buy a process. A technical partner reduces your unknowns, protects your product launch and builds your internal credibility. Use the 5P partner test. Purpose to print, process window, people, proof and traceability, and the fifth one is price. Beyond P's to separate noise from value. Ask yourself, in my current supply base, which P is my weakest link? If you strengthen that one, what late night call disappears. I am eager to hear about the silent risk you have faced and how a stronger process could have solved them. Share your experiences in the comments, and if the 5P partner test has been helpful, let me know which P you will add to your next RFQ. Thank you. See you in my next video.